Hello and welcome to another video about SonarQube. In the previous video, I have shown you how you can install SonarQube server and of course the database server, which is Elasticsearch. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install CLI scanner to scan your code. Just before we begin, I would like to tell you that only 3% of you are subscribed to the channel from the people that are watching these videos. So if you like to see more videos like this, if you like the type of videos that I'm creating, please subscribe to the channel and help the channel grow more and enjoy more content like this. Let's begin with the installation. By doing an update of the operating system, and then we will install unzip, wget and node.js on it. After that, we will download the zip files for the SonarQube CLI scanner. So we will gonna go to opt, and here we will download the package. After that, we will unzip it. Okay, and right now we will remove the zip file because we don't need it anymore, and rename the unzipped folder or directory. The next step is to configure the SonarQube scanner to connect to our SonarQube server. Then we will have to add the SonarQube scanner command to the path variable, and for this one we will create a shell script. Now we will create a directory where we will gonna store some kind of Python script, just a random Python script, doesn't matter which one. Okay, so we are going to the SonarQube server web interface. Here we will add a project. we will gonna go for the manual one since it's the CLI scanner. Here we will have to define a project key, then generate a token. Okay, so this token we will have to save it somewhere if we want. If not, we can create another one another time. Then click continue, and we will click on other for JS, TS, Python, PHP, and so on. And we have our operating system, which is Linux. Copy the command. Okay, in the CLI, we will copy and paste the command. But this one I did it on purpose, and I haven't actually changed to the Python directory where we have our Python script. We just used something else, and you're gonna see that this one, it will not gonna work. And what I have done here, it was just for your demonstration to see how it looks like. Actually, when you go on the web interface in SonarQube, you will see that the Python script wasn't actually scanned. Okay, so now we will have to change the directory to Python, where we have our Python script, the example.py, and here we will run the command again. And after the analysis is done, you will see on the web interface that the example.py was scanned properly. So just make sure that you are in the correct folder when you're doing the scanning. And here you can see the issues that this script is having. Thanks for watching, and talk to you guys in the next one.